friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Splunk, which is a data storage tool. Okay, a lot of companies maintain data very confidentially, because you take IT company or you take any banking sector or any other industries, they maintain data very confidentially. So all the data actually gets stored in one of the applications in every company. So Splunk is one of the data storage tools we use Splunk to analyze the machine data. Okay, Splunk is basically an ultimate log collection and data analyzing tool. Okay, so now let's talk about logs. How do they get generated is, say you're trying to buy any product from e-commerce applications like Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, let's say you're trying to buy a cricket bat. What you do, you generally start searching for it, right? So you compare with the different service providers, and you compare with the different brands or costs, any discount available. So you compare and then you take a decision to go for it, right? So let's say you're trying to you're doing all this exercise across the day, but you're yet to finalize your product. What happens in the immediate next minute or a next second, you start getting notifications, okay, from respective e-commerce applications like Flipkart and Amazon. So they knows that you're trying to buy this product, but you're yet to take a decision. So you start getting notifications. So now, how do you think they knows that you're trying to buy this product? Is because every action that you do on the application, or every transaction that you perform, logs getting generated behind the screen. So they know that you're trying to buy this product. So this is how logs actually works. Okay, hope you understand what is logs now. Now let's talk about what are the main customers, what are the important customers that Splunk customers that are using Splunk is New York Air Brakes is one of the big clients, and Enjoy Share Bank, Domino's Pizza, and you also have Vodafone. Okay, all these are these 4 or 5 are the major companies using Splunk to store the data. All right, now let's talk about components of Splunk. Splunk has 3 components starting with. Okay, for someone who's starting basically to learn Splunk from the beginning. So you start learning from these 3 components, that is forwarder, indexer, and search head. Okay, so these 3 are important or basic components of Splunk. Now let's talk about each one of them. Forwarder, is generally used to get the data, receive the data from any of the instances, and it will send the data to a next instance. In this case, it will be indexer. Okay, so data gone to the indexer, it will be stay there. It will be stored in the indexer. Whatever the data stored in the indexer, it will not be in the readable format basically. So what you need to do, you need to take the help of search head to read the data inside the indexer, to give the to get the visualizations or provide to get the reports and notifications. So this is how these 3 components works. Okay, so we interact with the search head access the data from indexer gets the data from forwarder. Okay, so this is how the process works here. Now apart from these 3, you still have different other components also, like you have a deployer and deployment server and cluster master. So when do you have to use this is, let's say if you have more than 1,000 or more than lakhs logs getting generated every time, that means you're running a huge business really. Okay, in that case, one forwarder or one indexer and one search head is not enough. Okay, this is where you would have to use this is where you'll have to take the help of deployer or a deployment server or cluster master as per your business requirement. So now these are all the couple of basic points, or if you're trying to learn Splunk from the beginning, so this is where you have to start. Okay, then apart from this, if you move forward, you will have to install Splunk Enterprise, and you have we'll talk about in the future videos in all the about you have universal forwarder, heavy forwarders, everything. Someone who's starting initially, as I said, talking about all this is not you may not be able to understand. So in my future videos, I will definitely talk about other things in Splunk. So that's all I have, friends, in this video. In my next video, I will try and come back with other next steps in Splunk. Thanks for watching.